Be Foxy, Unraveling the Phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into an interesting English phrase, be foxy. Stick with us to unravel its meaning and how you can use it in everyday conversations. When you hear the word foxy, you might instantly think of the animal, the fox. Foxes are known for being clever, cunning, and sometimes sneaky. They often show great agility and intelligence in their behavior. In English, when someone is described as being foxy, it can mean a couple of things. 1. Attractive or stylish. In a more old-fashioned sense, calling someone foxy might mean they are good-looking or have a certain allure. For example, she looked foxy in that red dress. 2. Clever or cunning. Similar to the fox's characteristics, someone who is foxy might be smart, cunning, or crafty. For instance, he's foxy. You can't fool him easily. As with many phrases in English, context is essential. The meaning of be foxy can change depending on the situation. In a fashion context, it might mean someone looks stunning. In a game or strategic context, it could be praising someone's intelligence. Always pay attention to the surrounding conversation to gauge the correct meaning. Let's look at some examples to help you understand and use the phrase. 1. With those new glasses, you sure look foxy. 2. She has a foxy way of negotiating deals. We could never understand how she gets such discounts. 3. His foxy smile always makes me wonder what he's up to. We hope this video helped shed light on the phrase, be foxy. Remember, English is a vibrant language with many expressions rooted in analogies and comparisons. Being familiar with these can make your conversations more colorful. Keep learning and, as always, stay foxy in your English journey.